Need to get a bit more out of your Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system? Here you go. Have a look at this. A few tips running on the app. So here we are on the Deco app. This is on Android. It'll be exactly the same on iPhone. What you have got right away, really good tip, device list. So here I can see the different devices that I've got throughout the house, and it's just handy just to check, are these meant to be on there? Are they meant to be switched on? Right, so what you might want to do is find out what the device actually is, because sometimes you'll have devices appear and you don't really know what they are. So here, for example, I happen to have, I've renamed my devices quite nicely. I did this only the other day, but let's just say I didn't recognize that device there. It's Steve Jobs S20. Click on it and then go up to the options at the top, and then down the side here you will see the IP address and the MAC address. Those addresses there will allow you, when you open up your device on your actual device, you can go into settings on your device and go click the about section in your device, and it'll then give you your IP and your MAC addresses. Okay, so and that allows you then to identify back here which address it is, and then you can come in and you can change the name of the device on here. So you might have, for example, a television or something. You're not going to change your device name on the television, but you can change it in here so you can recognize it. So that's the first tip. Know your devices. Know which ones are connected. Know which ones aren't. Second tip is on your settings. So I'm in settings here. I can then go to advanced, and then when I'm in advanced, I can slip down here and go to fast roaming. So fast roaming, this allows wireless devices to switch connections seamlessly. Okay, so what this will do is it will allow your devices to instantly, so you can switch it off and on as easy as that. This will allow your devices to instantly pick up the nearest Deco they're on. That is definitely worth doing if you've got a few Decos in a big house and you're wandering around. So that is tip number 2. Okay, tip number 3 is called QoS. And QoS stands for quality of service. Okay, and what this does, it allows you to set priority to some devices. So if you want to set, so this is where you might, for example, have a laptop if you're working at home and the kids are playing on the Xbox and you want the priority on your laptop for that day or just generally. So what you can do is you can go in here to set this. Okay, so add devices, so you click on here to say yep, down the bottom click the plus, and then you can click on which of these you want. So S20, and now it's set as a priority device. Okay, you can do that, but when you're setting up your priority, what you need to do is you need to go in first of all and edit the bandwidth here. So you can hopefully see this here. You can edit the bandwidth here, which is up, down, up speed and upload and download bandwidth. Actually, what you can see recently is there's my recent speed test, 40 and 11. Okay, so that's what it said when I was standing next to the router, 40 and 11. So going back to the Deco app, what I've done is I said 42 and 12. So bear this in mind. Your broadband provider will tell you get a certain download and upload megabits per second, but that depends on the amount of devices you've got connected into your system and your personal connection to your home. So do a speed test, see what it comes out with, and then what happens is when your whole system is starting to get up to your maximum 42.12 in this instance, it will then divert priority to any prioritized devices. It will let those take first dibs at the upload and download. So that's one thing you can do. So you just type that in and then you can prioritize. I'm not prioritizing at all, but you can prioritize your devices. Okay, you've got reports on here that tell you the amount of connections you've got each day, security settings, any new devices that have appeared. So if somebody has suddenly dropped on, what are these new devices? Well, here we go. As you can see, I've moved some computers across, smart speakers across, whatever you call them, onto the mesh Wi-Fi, just because I can get a better connection than I could on my original broadband. So there you go, folks.